Welcome, and thank you for choosing the DeVilbiss Healthcare P750 Long-Term Care Bariatric Bed. This video will demonstrate bed assembly from out-of-box to assembled with headboard and footboard with staff control options. First, verify you received the correct model and inspect the carton for shipping damage. If damage is found, do not use the bed. Contact Drive for further instructions. Be sure to unpack and assemble the bed in an area with sufficient room to work and away from residents and traffic flow to avoid creating a trip hazard. For bed assembly, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, utility knife and pliers, or wire cutters to remove the zip ties. Safety is of primary importance. Review all warnings and cautions in the manual and watch this video in its entirety. Be sure you understand the instructions before proceeding. The P750 bed can accommodate mattress lengths of 80, 84, or 88 inches and mattress widths of 39, 42, or 48 inches. The bed must be set correctly for your mattress. It may be necessary for 2 or more people to help move the carton. Use caution during assembly. Be aware of lifting and crush hazards and always follow safety practices. Begin with the carton flat on the floor and remove the top half of the carton. Locate and carefully cut the 4 zip ties that secure the bed closed during shipping. Remove the zip tie from the hand pendant. You can remove the zip tie from the hardware package and set aside for now, or wait until you're ready for it. Locate the power cord and plug into a wall outlet. Use the up button on the hand pendant to raise the bed to high position. Open carton side and lift or slide the bed out of the bottom half of the carton. Remove any remaining packing material from the bed and take all parts out of the carton while checking for damage. Let's take a quick look at the individual parts before we begin assembly. Check to be sure you received all parts, including headboard and footboard, if purchased, along with their respective mounting brackets, width and length mattress retainers, and wall bumper, in addition to the hardware package and the backlit hand pendant. Also take note of the width extensions installed on the P750 for bed expansion based on mattress width. There are 3 sections on each side of the bed: head, leg, and foot, each with an expansion button and locking pin. We'll begin assembly with the mounting brackets. Place the bed in the auto contour position using the hand pendant. Unscrew the knob on the headboard mounting bracket, install the bracket on the bed, and secure with knob. Repeat on the other side. Install footboard mounting bracket on the bed and secure with locking pin. Repeat on other side. Return the bed to the high flat position. Next are the mattress retainers. The mattress retainers are designed to keep the mattress in place on the sleep surface. The length mattress retainers can be set to 80, 84, or 88 inches, and the width mattress retainers can be set to 39, 42, or 48 inches. Place the length mattress retainers on top and bottom ends of bed in the appropriate setting for your mattress. Place the width mattress retainers in the correct location for your mattress, placing 2 on each side of the bed. Press the expansion button on each section to move that extension in or out as desired. Insert each section's locking pin to secure it once it's set to the correct width. Now the wall bumper can be installed. Slide the wall bumper over the axle at the head end of the bed. Insert the locking pins in the holes on each side appropriate for the length of mattress you are using. For beds configured with headboard and footboard options, installation is as follows. Open the hardware packet. Use a hammer to insert the plugs into the screw-in sets on the headboard and footboard. Mount the headboard and footboard to the mounting brackets with the screws included in the hardware packet. The optional staff control needs to be connected to the control box. Raise the foot deck to the highest position, then unplug the power cord. Route the cable near the black foot actuator cable in the space between the bed frame and the deck, keeping clear of any areas that could pinch or abrade the cable. Secure the cable to the frame in several locations along its length with zip ties. Plug the staff control cable into the port of Y cable. Secure the plug by pressing the locking clip closed. Lower the bed to the lowest position, ensuring the moving parts will not pinch or shear the cable. Check functionality of the staff control. Other optional equipment can be installed if applicable. Otherwise, bed assembly is now complete and your mattress can be applied. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the DeVilbiss P750 Long-Term Care Bariatric Bed Assembly.